Report on the portrayal of women in print and electronic media. Women in media process includes the presentation of women as sexual objects and the setting of standards of beauty that women are expected to reflect. In gender advertisement, Erwin Kaufman sought to uncover the covert ways that popular media constructs masculinity and femininity in a detailed analysis of more than 500 advertisements. The relationship between men and women, Kaufman argued, was portrayed as a parent child relationship, one characterized by male power and female subordination. The number of women as media administrators or journalists is still lower than that of their male counterparts, while the language and wording of the media are still far from ideal. Media acquires women through their bodies and exploits them. The content about women is largely comprised of subjects concerned with entertainment, tabloids, and sexuality. Women are being objectified every day without there are any visible efforts to reverse it. Such content is sometimes dressed up and markets as emancipatory of women, though instead they merely repeat the problematic portrayals seen in the past. It commonly portrays women as secondary, bound, and dependent to other parties. Male also has a tendency of seeing and presenting women as consumers rather than producers in authoritative fields such as politics and economics. Women are largely missing. They are confined to morning shows and light subjects in day to day operation. Women are generally found in advertisement for home products, baby items, cosmetics, and food items. They are also generally portrayed stereotypically in the advertisement of entertainment, clothes, and cosmetics, but are portrayed non stereotypically in for tobacco, travel, food, and financial services. The latest advertisements on health drinks, detergent cakes, and powders, soaps, medicines, cosmetics, mobile advertisements have represented women in a very rigorous way, very energetic, dynamic, strong, and enthusiastic. Majority of modern India advertisements present a more realistic and balanced picture of a woman. There is a shift in the portrayal of the women in advertisement from a mere housewife to a career oriented and professional with the independent identity and multiple identities who is a superwoman successful in balancing her personal and professional life. Thank you.